Connecting Stripe to your Whop community is essential for handling checkouts and payouts. First, ensure you have a verified Stripe account. In your Whop dashboard, navigate to Settings, then Payments, and click Connect Stripe. You'll be redirected to Stripe to authorize the connection via OAuth. This generates API keys, enabling secure data flow between Whop and Stripe. This integration allows you to accept payments globally and manage funds efficiently within your community. After connecting, you can automate payouts to your linked bank accounts or wallets. Remember that standard fees of 2.9% plus 30 per transaction typically apply for US users, but these can vary globally. Whop relies on Stripe's tokenization to avoid storing sensitive data on its servers, maintaining a high level of security. Setting up webhooks for real-time updates is recommended to receive notifications about payment successes or failures. This streamlined process ensures secure and reliable financial operations, allowing you to focus on growing your community. When a member makes a purchase in your Whop community, such as a subscription or digital product, Stripe securely processes the payment. Whop's front-end collects billing information, but Stripe handles encryption, fraud detection using Radar, and provides instant confirmations. This supports one-time purchases, recurring subscriptions, and split payouts for revenue sharing. Funds are held in a Stripe escrow account until fulfillment, then transferred to your bank or crypto wallet, minus Whop's platform fees of 5 to 10%, plus Stripe's processing costs of 2.9% plus 30 cents. Payouts can be scheduled daily, weekly, or manually, with instant transfers available for eligible accounts. It is essential to test the integration with Stripe's sandbox environment by simulating transactions to avoid any issues.